A lot of people sleep on thrift stores, and like, I don't understand, because thrift stores are where I've gotten some of my most iconic pieces of clothing. Hey guys, it's Aston. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing you guys a winter thrift haul, so keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. Alright y'all, so I know it's been a hot minute since I've been on YouTube, but I decided, let's just get it done. Let's get it poppin'. I got the new iPhone X, which I love. And I was like, bitch, what's holding you back? You need to start posting more videos. It's about to be 2018. I'm about to be 21 January 8th. Capricorn gang. So I just was like, yeah, let's get it started. Like, I want to really take my YouTube seriously in 2018. So what better way than to get it started early? So keep watching and let's get it started. So first we're going to start off with this green sweater. I paid $1.99 for, so like, of course I had to get it. And what I really like about this sweater is that it's very on trend. One, you could do off the shoulder. Two, it's green, and green is such a key color to have in your winter wardrobe. We are going to move on to some turtleneck tops. The first turtleneck that we have is this black cropped mohair turtleneck sweater. For this, I paid $1.99 as well. And it's also 100% cashmere, so bougie. Next, we have this gray ribbed turtleneck that I paid $2.99 for. And what I love about this gray ribbed turtleneck is that it is ribbed. I feel like it just sucks you in and keeps everything together. Next, we have this camel colored ribbed turtleneck that I paid $1.99 for. And what I like about this is, of course, camel is a really nice color for the winter. It's a very nice neutral that looks good on many skin tones. So I definitely feel like if you don't have anything in this camel color, you definitely need to get it. Moving on to some bottoms and some pants. So first off, we have these incredible striped black and white pants that I paid $1.99 for. These pants are definitely more appropriate for the summer and the spring because of the thinness, but especially with pants too, you can get away with doing a thinner pant with like a sweater and boots, and it would just be iconic. These jeans, they are just Gap blue jeans, and they are really cute, and you'll see in the try-on portion these are a little bit baggier, but it's really important, and especially with the thrift store too, you get to try a bunch of different styles that you don't usually get in the stores. The thrift store will save you coin. Moving on to another pair of jeans. These are more straight-legged jeans, and they are from the brand The Limited, and they are just like this nice medium wash. As you'll see in the try-on portion, these jeans fit a little bit more snug than the last pair. And I think that what I'm gonna do is distress some of these jeans. So if you'd like to see a distressed jean video, make sure to give this video a like and comment below, and I will make sure to put that up for you guys. The next pair is a pair of jeans that I couldn't pass up, even though they were just a little too snug. A pair of Guess jeans, and these are just so cute. They have the cute little Guess symbol in the back, and they are kind of like an acid wash jean, and I honestly have no clue what I'm gonna do with these because acid wash jeans are really just not my style, but I couldn't pass up Guess jeans, especially since they were only $2.99. So like, come on. The last pair of jeans are some jeans that I definitely want to distress, and they're from a really weird brand that I've never heard of. It's called Pepe Jeans London. So if you know anything about that, let me know because I'm very interested. These jeans fit me like a glove. As you'll see in the try-on portion, they're like the perfect length, perfect waist. They are literally made for me, and I just love them. They are a dark wash, which is typically not a jean that I go for at the thrift store because the vintage dark wash is kind of wonky for me. But one thing about the thrift store is that things are so cheap that you can be adventurous adventurous with your style. I mean, every single pair of jeans that I had purchased were ranging between $1.99 and $3.99. So, like, come on. So moving on to the part of the video that I'm most excited for, and that is the jackets. Now, I have found some really cool jackets, so you are in for a treat. Okay? So the first jacket that I want to show you guys is this brown and red and green, like, tweed women's wear jacket. And this jacket just is giving me 90s, a different world, just cute vibes. And I am so excited to, like, turn looks in this jacket. So I purchased this coat actually last January, and I wore it for my birthday, and it was white. And I was like, what am I gonna do? You know, I want to keep wearing this coat, but I have tons of other white fur coats. So I was like, you know what? I've never seen any fur coats at the thrift store that were pink, and that's just so iconic, like a pink fur coat. So I had to do it. This next fur coat is like a leather and shearling aviator style jacket, and I actually picked this up from a thrift store called My Auntie's Closet, and I am so grateful that my aunt gave this to me and I didn't have to purchase it, but it's literally the coolest coat I've ever seen. I haven't really got a chance to style it yet, but when I do, final item is the item that I'm literally the most excited to wear. It is this ankle length white polar bear fur coat that is literally the most bougie-est fur coat I've ever seen at the thrift store. I paid about $20 for that coat, and it was definitely $20 well spent. So that just about sums up my thrift store try-on haul for winter 17-18. I hope that you guys saw some looks and I inspired you to go to the thrift store and just search and find really cool pieces, because literally the thrift store is where it's at. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, give it a like. If you have something to share, comment down below. Don't forget to follow all my social media, which will be in the description box below. And yeah, thank you guys so much. Have a good day. Peace.